aspirants, welcome to Detail Chronicles by Abhiram IAS Academy. So, ee roju Detail Chronicles lo bhaganga we are talking an important topic from Hindu. I have selected it from the Hindu, and the topic is UK government has been planning to reduce the age of voting from 8 to 16. So, UK government is further planning to reduce the age of voting from 18 to 16. Same ante మన Indian government prakaram or Indian law prakaram the legal age for voting is 18 years of age. Now further in this detailed video, let's see about like electoral reforms of UK em తీసుకుంటున్నారు, what are the further electoral reforms of United Kingdom, that is Britain, and further let's compare it with our Indian system. Clear? So idi detailed video. So now let's see what are the electoral reforms the UK is planning. So UK government is planning to reduce the age from 18 to 16. Further, it will be aligning with the Welsh and Scottish legislatures. Welsh and Scottish legislatures. Further, while electoral reforms తీసుకుంటున్నారు అంటే they are banning on shell companies which are giving the foreign contribution. They are banning on shell companies which are giving the foreign donations, or else మిగతా అంటే వేరే దేశాల నుంచి వచ్చే కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్స్ ని దే వాంట్ టు స్టాప్. అండ్ ఫర్దర్ హూ కెన్ డొనేట్? ఎవరైతే ఐర్లాండ్ ఇన్కమ్ ఆర్ యూకే ఇన్కమ్ అంటే ఆ కంట్రీస్ నుంచి ఇన్కమ్ వచ్చే వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే దే కెన్ డొనేట్. అండ్ ఫర్దర్ ఐరిష్ కంపెనీస్ కెన్ కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ టు నార్థరన్ ఐర్లాండ్ ఎలక్షన్స్. క్లియర్ ఇక్కడ వరకు? దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎలక్టోరల్ రిఫార్మ్స్ యూకే ఈస్ ప్లానింగ్ ఫర్. And further, they are giving voter registration chances from the age 14 itself. They're giving voting registration chances from age 14 itself. And further, there has been estimation of almost 7 to 8 million eligible people are unregistered. Almost 7 to 8 million people were unregistered. Clear? And further, there ante ID cards accept chestaru vallu. Same, UK issued bank cards, digital IDs, that is veterinary cards and licenses to be accepted at polling booths. Indian laws prakaram ఏ cards ని యూస్ చేస్తారు అనేది further గా చూద్దాము. And further if we see the political reactions, there are some criticisms and there are positiveness. So criticism ఏంటి అంటే criticism of previous conservative governments or with respect to strict ID laws ఉండాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఒక నెగటివ్ థింగ్. And one more, it is likely to benefit the Labour as younger votes lean center left. See further, let's see why this is ఎందుకు దీన్ని తీసుకురావాలనుకుంటున్నారు, ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా లేదా, ఇండియన్ లాస్ గురించి కంపారిజన్ చూద్దాము. So why they want to bring is that their voter ID was less. Voting percentage was less. So recent elections చూసుకుంటే almost only 59.7% have been participated, which is very low since the year 2001. Since the year 2001, previous elections lo only 59.7% have been participated in the voting. That is why they want to reduce the voting age from 18 to 16. Clear? So వాళ్ళ PM ఏమన్నారు అంటే if you pay, when you're paying in, you should have a say on how your money is spent. And further, the Deputy Prime Minister has been said that young people deserve a stake in civil life and reforms also bolster defenses against the foreign interfaces. But what their opposition party is telling is that if you bring voting age to 16 years, then politicization of schools will happen. Politicization of schools. And అక్కడ 16 years ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి alcohol అనేది ban. And marriage also. So when they are not able to marry or when they are not able to take alcohol, how can they have the voting rights అని చెప్పేసి. Clear? That means they are not enough matured. Politicization of school అవుతుంది. Clear? They don't know whom to vote and cheppesi. Then what happens? The democracy will be disturbed. the democracy will be disturbed. Almost 16 అంటే 16 ఏజ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడు ఓటింగ్ ఛాన్సెస్ ఇస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇన్ దేర్ పాపులేషన్ 2 lakh members, 2 lakh people additional burden will be there. 2 to 3 lakh members additional burden అనేది ఉంటుంది. Now let's see what are the other countries giving voting at the age of 16. So full voting rights at age of 16, if you take, Austria is giving, Malta is giving, and Brazil is giving. ఈ 3 countries they're giving, but Brazil lo entante optional for 16 years but mandatory from 18 years of age. Clear? So Austria, Malta, Brazil is giving complete 16 years of age for all the elections. But whereas in Brazil, voting option 16 years ki, like you can take a call, but it is mandatory from 18 years of age. And coming to Belgium, Belgium lo 16 years olds can vote in European Parliament elections only. Ante vaalla local elections lo they can't vote. So 16 years old can vote in European Parliament elections only. And for the UK law, now they are coming with the reform. And for the Greece law, voting age is 17 for all the national elections. Greece law, the voting age is 17 for all the national elections. Clear? Now let's see our Indian thing. So voting age in India currently 18 years. Eligibility enti, they must be the citizen of India, must have 18 years of age or older on January 1st of the qualifying year. Further, they must be enrolled in the electoral roll of a constituency. Clear? Let's see the eligibility again. 18 years of age undali, Indian citizen ayi undali, and further they must be enrolled in the electoral rolls of their constituencies. This is with respect to Indian thing. And before, if you see in the independence period, like our first age was 21, then it has been changed to 18. With what Constitutional Amendment Act it has been changed ane chuddam. So in pre-independence India, everyone doesn't have the voting rights. Only the upper class people have got the voting rights, and even women ki kuda voting rights raled appadiki. So it wasn't like the first elections, women also have got here voting right. So if you see limited voting under British rule, example Government of India Acts of 1919 and 1935, where who can vote? Voting based on tax, property and education. Whoever is paying more tax, whoever is having more property, who is well educated, వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే voting right అనేది ఉండేది. తర్వాత 1950లో after adopting our constitution, universal adult franchise has been given. అంటే అందరికి, that is the persons above the 18 years of age, irrespective of their caste, religion, sex, whatever, they will be having the voting right. Clear? So 1950 onwards, when we have adopted our constitution, we are following universal adult franchise, which is granted for all the citizens from 21 years and above given the right to vote. Further ga 1988 lo ఈ 21 years కాస్త 18 years కి రెడ్యూస్ చేశారు by 61st Constitutional Amendment Act. By 61st Constitutional Amendment Act. Clear? So in the pre-independence time, not everyone has got the rights. Only well-educated, who is having high property, who is paying high tax, వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే voting right ఉండేది. And women all over the country, first time women వచ్చేసినప్పుడు 1950లో, అప్పుడు 21 years ఉండేది. తర్వాత 1988లో they have changed the age from 21 to 18 by 61st Constitutional Amendment Act. And further, what are the provisions? What are the constitutional and legal provisions? If you see the constitutional provision, Article 326. Article 326 is giving you a constitutional provision where it is telling that elections to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies should be held on basis of universal adult franchise. Clear? Article 326, it is telling that elections to the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies should be held on basis of universal adult franchise. And further, if we see the Representation of People Act 1950 and 1951, it is telling that it has been laid down the procedure for elections, qualifications, disqualifications, and maintenance of electoral rolls. So you can see here disqualifications and qualifications. Clear? So these are the constitutional legal provisions. Further, what IDs are accepted to show? Ever conduct chesarani elections India lo? Election Commission of India. Clear? So, okay. Universal adult franchise, that is no discrimination based on caste, sex, gender, literacy or wealth. Now, who is conducting? Election Commission of India is conducting. Further, what ID card it is accepting? Voter ID, that is Epic card. Nota option is also given. What is Nota? Everki vote cheyakunda Nota and pettadam. And this was introduced in the year 2013, which is allowing voter to reject all the candidates. Clear? And further, use of EVMs and VVPATs. Why? To avoid the malpractices. Intaku mundu ballot boxes undevi. But to avoid the malpractices and to ensure the transparency, ECA has been given, it is using EVMs and VVPATs. Clear? And further, let's see the ongoing electoral reforms with respect to India. So, ECI wants to link Aadhaar, linking Aadhaar with voter IDs. ECI wants to link Aadhaar with your voter ID cards, so that duplication అనేది reduce అవుతుంది and transparency అనేది increase అవుతుంది. And ghost votes, duplicate votes or dongatanamga vese votes will be reduced. And further, common electoral roll, that is, it is proposed to unify voter rolls for all the elections. Like elections ki okati electoral roll. And further, remote voting, that is under consideration for migrant populations. Election funding, ante electoral bonds ni now Supreme Court has rejected this, telling it is unconstitutional. So electoral bonds is controversial news and demands for more transparency. What are the electoral reforms India is taking? Linking Aadhaar with voter ID, common electoral roll, remote voting, and further electoral funding, that is Supreme Court has struck down this electoral bonds, telling it is unconstitutional. Now further, now that's a debate thing. Should India reduce its age to 16 years of age? Mostly no, because emotional and cognitive maturity is questioned. Inka emotional maturity and cognitive maturity rakapovachu. It will impact our democracy. And further, it could be manipulative, a lack of understanding issues. Wala parents cheppadam vallo, or else social media lo ee party ila chestundi ani favoritism chupinchadam vallo, they can be manipulated. And further, can be influenced by parents or friends. Then what is the debate with respect to yes? Critically analyze annappudu, you have to write this. 16 years old work and they're paying taxes. And further, political awareness is needed via social media is rising. See, this social media is having both positives and negatives. Social media lo party ki favoritism chupiste ade mana mind lo undipotundi kabatti daniki vote chese chances ekku untayi. And further, participatory democracy encourages early civic responsibility. This is the arguments, positive and negative. And further, lastly, let's compare United Kingdom and India voting comparison, voting system comparison. See, both are having parliamentary democracies. But in Constitution of India, it is mentioned under Article 326 that elections are based on adult suffrage, universal adult franchise. But in UK, there is no written constitution, but they are governed by some acts. That is Representation of People Act 1983. Representation of People Act 1983. Clear? And further, who is managing the elections? India law ECA, Election Commission of India, and UK law Electoral Commission. Same. This is the constitutional body, this is the statutory body. Further, identify what are the identification for voting? We are accepting our voter ID, Epic card, which is given by ECAE. Now, we want to link it with Aadhaar for transparency and to avoid duplication of votes. And further, ikkada kuda voter ID is introduced in the year 2023, but passport license is also accepted. Clear? Voting method. See, UK lo voting method is still ballot papers only. Primarily, they're using ballot papers only, but in India, we're using EVMs with VVPATs. Nota only మన దగ్గరే ఉంది since 2013, but UK lo no nota provision is there. And further, voting for prisoners, in India it is not allowed. India lo prisoners ki there is no vote right. And further, if we see in UK, generally they are not allowed in England and Wales, but they are allowed in some Scottish elections. Remember this. In Britain, they are not allowing vote for prisoners in England, Wales and Northern Ireland, but they are allowing in Scottish elections. So this is a comparison of India and UK election system. Clear? So this PPT even you can use for mains also, where like we discussed why it is reducing, why UK government wants to reduce the age from 18 to 16, and we have compared it with our Indian system also. Done? Thank you. Have a nice day.